Put an avocado on the stove, and the result will leave you speechless. It may sound strange, but once you know what this trick is for, you'll want to thank me forever. I'm sure you'll want to show everyone when you learn it. I didn't know it was so easy to extract oil from avocados. If you have avocados that are wasting away, don't throw them away. To begin, we're going to cut this avocado in half and remove the pit in the center. We're going to put all of our avocado in a container with the help of a spoon. Let's mash our avocados well with a fork. Leave them well mashed for the tip to work. After mashing them well, transfer all the avocado to a frying pan. Cook over at low heat until you notice the avocado started to release its oil into the pan. The special thing about this tip is that you can use the extracted oil in salads. It's delicious and easy to make. If you've made it this far, you've enjoyed today's tip. Send this video to a friend and don't forget to like it. When you reach this point, you can remove it from the heat and it will be ready. Let's transfer all the mixture we've prepared to another container. Here, I'm using a sieve to transfer all the mixture. The sieve is used to extract all the oil from the avocado. Avocados are perfect for your health, containing various nutrients and benefits, such as improving inflammatory diseases, controlling cholesterol, and preventing premature aging. We can already see how much oil an avocado yields. Look how wonderful it is. This avocado yielded that amount. It's simply perfect. Avocado oil helps protect the cells from the pancreas against free radicals, and therefore improves the function of the hormone insulin, preventing insulin resistance and diabetes. The high content of phenolic compounds present in avocado oil, such as procyanidins, catechins, vanillins, and hydrophenolacetic acid, have an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory action, protecting the cells of the central nervous system and helping to prevent Alzheimer's disease. There are many benefits. Now, we can use avocado oil in any way we like. Look how wonderful it is. Try this wonderful tip at home too. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Bye!